Hi there, this is Fluent Pilot again. It's great to have you back on our channel, and we continue to build up our aviation English skills. This is another video of the picture and description series. You may catch up with the previous episodes in case you haven't seen them by following these links. Don't hesitate to consult fluentpilot.ru for the description tips and the video transcripts. The links, as usual, are provided down below. As agreed in the previous episode, today we are going to be dealing with this picture. So here we go. In this picture, we can see 3 men and a full flight simulator cockpit in the middle of a training session. 2 pilots are occupying the captain's and the first officer's seats, and the third person is sitting behind them in an instructor's seat. He's surrounded by monitors, which he uses to upload various flight scenarios or introduce system failures or specific weather conditions. It looks like a cockpit of a modern airliner. It's got a so-called glass cockpit where traditional gauges are replaced with large multifunctional displays. It's hard to define the exact type of the aircraft, but since there is a side stick instead of a yoke, we can suppose that it might be an Airbus simulator. At the moment, the pilots find themselves in a maneuvering area of some airport, because outside the cockpit window we can distinguish other aircraft moving around along the taxiways. The scenario of this simulator session implies a day flight in fairly good weather conditions. This photo actually brings up the topic of pilot training, with a full flight simulator being an important part of it. Each airline pilot regularly goes through sim sessions and check rides. It is a safe and efficient way to train both normal and abnormal procedures. And it is a way to improve piloting skills, for example in adverse weather conditions, or practice complex approaches and departures without flying an actual aircraft. Okay, that's enough for this time. We've got a little text here which you can certainly change or extend. The idea of this series is to give you an example of how you can describe a picture and go on to discuss a related topic. So I hope you find it useful. For your home task, describe this picture. It's gonna be in the next video of this series. Feel free to rate this video and leave comments below. The more feedback we get, the more content we create for you guys. It's that simple. Okay, have a good one and see you next time. Cheers!